Yo, 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 it's your boy T to the I to the O to the N, baby. And I'm back again. This time, y'all, I have to hit y'all with something that was pre-recorded in a sense. You know what I'm saying? So, I wasn't here for this. So, I'm gonna let you see for yourself what it is. But before this video starts, I want y'all to do me a favor, please. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button. You know what I'm saying? Rock with your boy. Hit that post notification button as well, so you can know when we dropping our videos. You know, to keep up with Second to None family, baby. We out here. We in here. Peace.
Little boy.
CJ, you want some fruit snacks?
Please. Hi.
You can't eat them though. I have to go to the restroom. You have to wait till I get back, okay?
Don't eat them. Don't eat them.
It's your boy gone.
Don't
So you
eat
want some
them.
fruit snacks? You can't eat the fruit snacks yet, okay?
Don't eat them until we come back.
Want the thing?
No.
Okay, here. Those are 10 fruit snacks. I plan for them to be in there. I gotta go to the restroom and I'll be right back, okay? So watch your thing, okay? Do not eat the fruit snacks.
Wait until we come back.
Okay, you gotta go to the restroom, alright? So don't touch them till I come back. I'm not playing. Don't touch those fruit snacks today. You ain't gonna touch them, right? You gonna wait on me? You promise? Say you promise. You promise? Say I promise. You sure? Okay. I'll be back. You ain't eat them, right? Don't eat them. Come back. You ain't touched them, have you? You been a good boy? Alright, I'll be there in a minute. Okay?
Wow! Today, Kiki and Mew Mew made tasty hamburgers. Yes! Let's give them medals. I'm Kiki.
I'm almost done. I'm using the bathroom. Wait. Alright?
Let's go to the
Okay.
bottom and find out the answer. Baby Bus, change into a little farmer. Hey, seed, please grow up quickly. I'll water you every day. In a gentle breeze and bright sunshine, I will wait for your sprout to come up.
Alright, here I come.
Sprout,
I'm coming.
up quickly.
3 times. Did you eat it? Let me see.
Gentle breeze and bright
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, big boy.
He completed.
Now eat your fruit snacks, now. Oh, eat fruit snacks.
He didn't eat them.
Up.
All 10 of them still up in here.
Now go ahead and eat them. Good boy.